Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you can find information about online seminars that I teach for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM, and about study manuals that I wrote for those exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today. This is problem number 20 from October 2018 exam LTAM, which was, of course, the first time exam LTAM was offered. Catherine, 35, has just joined a firm offering a defined benefit plan with a benefit based on career average earnings. You are given the benefit accrual rate is 2%. Catherine expects her salary to increase by 4% per year at the start of each year, beginning at age 36. Catherine will retire at age 65. Calculate Catherine's projected replacement ratio. And of course, replacement ratio is the ratio of the first pension payment to the last salary. And here's the solution. So let us write S for the starting salary at age 35. Then the career average salary, which we need to calculate the benefit, will be, well, that initial salary. It's a sum of all salaries. So initial salary in the first year is S multiplied by 1. That's the salary in the first year, multiplied by 1.04. That's the salary in the second year, multiplied by 1.04 squared. That's the salary in the third year. And multiplied by 1.04 to the power 64 minus 35, which is 29. That's the salary in the 30th year. She will have worked 30 years. And because you don't multiply the salary by any factor in the first year, in the last year that factor is 1.04 to the 29th. It's divided by 65 minus 35, which is 30 years that she will have worked. And that's equal to S over 30 times S angle 30 at 4%. The annual benefit upon retirement at age 65 is 65 minus 35 times 0.02, 2% accrual rate per year, 30 years, times the career average salary, which we just calculated to be S over 30 times S angle 30 at 4%. 30 and 30 cancel. This becomes just 0.02 S angle 30 at 4%. And the projected replacement ratio is what we just calculated, that benefit, divided by the last salary, which is 1 times 1.04 to the 64 minus 35, to the 29th. That now we see that S cancels, so that becomes just 0.02 times, and I write this 1.04 to the 29th as 1.04 to the 30th divided by 1.04, so this becomes 0.02 times 1.04 times S angle 30 at 4% divided by 1.04 to the 30th, which is, of course, A angle 30 at 4%. But if you multiply A angle 30 at 4% by 1.04, you get A double dot angle 30 at 4%. So the answer is 0.02 times A double dot angle 30 at 4%, which is approximately 0.359674293, and that's answer A. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.